Good evening, respected judges. Today, I, Aditya Dubey of Class 10 School K.R. Mangalam World School City, Gurugram, is going to tell you something about my idea. The main problem of my idea is that so many sick people die on daily basis, and reason is either they did not reach to right hospital in time in absence of correct information in real time, or they were treated by unqualified doctors for many days. The proposed solution, a mobile web application to know about web availability in nearby government and private hospital in real time, a mobile web application for rural people in getting access to certified doctors through webcam installed in CSPs. The big advantage is information on medical facility will be available on real time, be creating and database connection with hospital. Information in public domain for greater use and in transparency. Bring digital video connect between unreached patients to qualified doctors of government hospital, private hospital. Pre and post hospitalization Medicare system care information over app packed with information control room and support. My progress so far. I have created a prototype website as dummy and it will take at least 3 to 6 months to make it fully functional. My next steps will be reaching out to small and medium hospitals first to explain the mutual benefit in bringing more business to them by easing the access to common people so they prepare to share the data, reaching out to state government and private hospital doctors to bring them on board and launch of solution in public domain.